Hello YouTube friends and welcome. In this video I would like to show you a first knife from a Spanish knife maker, let's say a company, because if you see it obviously these are made in China. So the company name is Martinez Albainox, and so far as I did a little bit researching, they have around 7 or 8 brands. Most of them are just a branded or even not branded OEM offerings from companies like Enron, B, and probably also Sun and Mu. So all those nice Chinese companies, they offer their original designs for companies that want to put their brand on it. Okay, so very little is known about this knife because they don't use any names. So how is it here? I have only the number, so it is 19530, and this is the name of the knife. Okay. And what is really funny, look at this. Okay, this made in RPC, imported by, probably this is the company code, but somebody probably in China did made this box for Martinez. And I don't know if you know, but as of lately, on the Chinese products you will find most of them made in China or China. But as of lately, they're changed and putting description made in PRC. So PRC, not RPC. PRC stands for People's Republic of China, and somebody in the company spelled it wrong. They put on their RPC, what is nothing. So this is really funny. So this company orders a batch of knives with a custom design box, and they even put made in China wrong here. Okay, let us continue. They give you a nice OK box. So this is sturdy box for transportation and storage. The knife itself, and they give you also a nice little paper. And the paper is in Spanish and also in English, so they congratulate you on purchase of this item. And yes, they say this is a weapon. Okay, maybe probably in Spain knives are weapons, I don't know, but they give you a nice warning, you should not carry it, and so on. And also the RPC here. So that is what is not interesting for us. At the first glance, this looks like a standard Chinese knife, but when I did take it out of the box, firstly, no oily residue on the scale and on the blade, so that is nice. And the pocket clips on the Chinese knives are really flimsy, made out of really thin metal. This one not. This is very stiff and very robust, so you don't have to be afraid to carry this knife. It will not be damaged. Also, this is a nice touch, so this will probably slide in your pocket with no problems. The milling is here, not under the pocket clip. Just a standard pivot with the Torx. Yeah, the first downside is the position of the pocket clip. You cannot reverse it or use on any other side, but well, we are speaking here about a sub $20 knife. And the opening is incredible. So the knife rides on phosphor washers and it's really solid, no blade play. On the blade you can find the logo, and that's it. We don't know what steel they're using, any branding of the model number, so I would suggest this is probably a 440 variant or HCR13 MOE, but what is a very nice touch, and this is because I bought the blade, the blade configuration is really nice and not a standard drop point or clip point. But it's something between a bowie and a, let's say, modified buoy. The opening is very smooth, no problems there. So for that price point, I would say go and check them out. The Albainox Martinez. The G10 is okay. It's okay. It is on par with the Tenacious G10 on the Spyderco Tenacious, and not something as good as on Strider or Cold Steel, but those are much more expensive blades, knives. Okay, so yes, and also the size is a nice EDC carry format. The engagement of the lock is early, but it's very good on such knives, because as you are using it, the veer will be there and the lock will travel more inside to the side, and also the opening is very smooth. You have 100% opening every single time. So the knife is really nicely balanced and made. So I don't know if this is only my piece, because I can't tell about the whole production line. They offer some really funny looking blades, but on some of them they also give you a pouch, which is also good if you don't want to carry it in your pocket. Okay, so thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day.